Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of Korean cuisine to explore the delightful and mysterious dish known as Gukbap. Gukbap is more than just a simple soup and rice combo. It's a cultural treasure filled with hidden gems and unknown facts. So, let's embark on this mouthwatering adventure together. Here we are talking about Gukbap's ancient origins. To truly understand Gukbap, we must delve into its ancient origins. It dates back to the Three Kingdoms period in Korea, making it over 2,000 years old. Originally a humble dish made for the common people, it has since evolved into a beloved comfort food enjoyed by everyone. Let's talk about regional variations. One fascinating aspect of Gukbap is the plethora of regional variations found throughout Korea. From Seoul's classic beef-based Gukbap to Busan's renowned millennia Gukbap, each region has its unique twist on this comforting dish. Exploring these regional variations is a delightful journey for any food enthusiast. Are you curious about unconventional Gukbap ingredients? Prepare to be amazed because Gukbap is not just about beef or pork. Some lesser-known versions feature unexpected ingredients like octopus, eel, and even abalone. These unconventional renditions add an exciting and luxurious twist to the traditional recipe. Do you know that Gukbap has healing properties in it? Beyond its delectable taste, Gukbap is often considered a healing and revitalizing dish. It is packed with essential nutrients and is especially beneficial during the cold winter months. Its nourishing broth and wholesome ingredients make it a go-to remedy for those seeking comfort and restoration. Do you know Gukbap has made its way into Korean pop culture? It has been featured in various K-dramas and variety shows, solidifying its status as a beloved cultural icon. We'll take a fun look at some memorable Gukbap moments in entertainment. Gukbap isn't just a cherished dish, it's also the centerpiece of some exciting challenges and records. From speed eating competitions to the largest Gukbap bowl ever prepared, the passion for this dish goes beyond just savoring its taste. Over the years, Gukbap has traveled beyond Korean borders, captivating the taste buds of people worldwide. We'll explore how this humble dish is gaining popularity internationally and even inspiring fusion variations in different cuisines. And there you have it, our journey through the captivating world of Korean Gukbap, filled with maximum unknown facts and hidden gems. I hope you enjoyed learning about this delicious and culturally rich dish as much as I did. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our future food adventures. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, keep exploring and keep enjoying the wonders of food.